Have you ever thought about the magical world behind the boxes on your favorite products? Well, get ready for a wild ride into the art of packaging design. We're spilling the beans on how those sneaky packages play mind games with us, in a good way. Trust me, after this, you'll never look at a cereal box the same way again. Grab your snacks. We're about to unwrap the mysteries of packaging with a sprinkle of humor, because who said boxes can't be funny too? Let's dive in and find out why our brains and these boxes are BFFs. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a captivating realm where art meets commerce, the world of packaging design. Get ready to uncover the psychology, aesthetics, and the fascinating impact it has on consumer choices and brand recognition. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things design. Now, let's unwrap the secrets behind the art of packaging design. Packaging design is more than just a wrapper. It's a silent messenger that communicates a brand's identity, values, and the essence of the product inside. Have you ever wondered why certain packages catch your eye? It's not by chance. Let's explore the psychology behind packaging design. Our brains are wired to respond to visual stimuli, and packaging designers use this to their advantage. Colors, shapes, and even the texture of a package can evoke emotions and influence our perception of a product. For example, warm colors like red and orange can create a sense of urgency, while clean, minimalist designs may convey a modern and high-quality image. Take Apple, for instance. The sleek, minimalist design of their product packaging reflects the brand's commitment to simplicity and innovation. The unboxing experience is so meticulously crafted that it has become an event in itself, contributing to the overall premium feel of Apple products. Apple's packaging isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's functional too. The snug fit of the products and the magnetic closures ensure a satisfying unboxing experience, emphasizing the brand's attention to detail. Speaking of unboxing, let's talk about the experience. It's not just about tearing off the paper, it's a carefully orchestrated sequence. Brands invest in creating a memorable unboxing experience because it fosters a sense of anticipation and excitement, strengthening the emotional connection between the consumer and the product. Glossier, the beauty brand, has turned packaging into an Instagram-worthy phenomenon. Their signature pink pouches not only protect the products, but also serve as a shareable moment for customers. It's a prime example of how packaging can leverage social media to amplify a brand's reach. The design of Glossier's pouches goes beyond aesthetics. It encourages user-generated content, turning customers into brand ambassadors. This seamless integration of packaging with the online brand community has become a powerful marketing strategy. Now, let's address a crucial aspect: sustainability. With increasing awareness of environmental issues, brands are shifting towards eco-friendly packaging. Sustainable design isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. Let's explore how brands are making a positive impact. Coca-Cola introduced the plant bottle, a packaging innovation made partially from plant-based materials. It's a significant step towards reducing the environmental footprint of plastic bottles. Sustainable packaging not only benefits the planet, but also enhances a brand's reputation. Coca-Cola's commitment to sustainability isn't limited to the materials. It extends to the entire life cycle of the product, from sourcing to disposal. This comprehensive approach sets an industry standard for responsible packaging. Unilever, a global consumer goods giant, has committed to making all of its plastic packaging recyclable, reusable, or compostable by 2025. Initiatives like the Love Beauty and Planet line showcase Unilever's use of recycled plastic, promoting a circular economy. This commitment extends to reducing overall environmental impact and aligning business success with positive social and environmental change. Lush, a cosmetic brand, has revolutionized its packaging approach by introducing naked products. Items like shampoo bars and bath bombs come without traditional packaging, reducing waste significantly. Lush's commitment to plastic-free packaging aligns with its customers' values and demonstrates how a beauty brand can champion eco-friendly alternatives. Ecover, a cleaning products company, addresses the issue of ocean plastic by creating bottles made from 50% recycled ocean plastic. By actively participating in the cleanup of marine environments, Ecover not only offers sustainable products, but also contributes to the reduction of plastic pollution in oceans. Tetra Pak, a leader in food processing and packaging, focuses on using renewable materials in its cartons. The brand's commitment to sustainability involves sourcing paperboard from responsibly managed forests and ensuring that its packaging is fully recyclable. Tetra Pak's efforts showcase how large-scale food packaging can be both efficient and eco-friendly. Beyond aesthetics, packaging is a storyteller. It conveys the brand's narrative and creates an emotional connection with consumers. Let's dive into the art of storytelling through packaging. Innocent Drinks, known for their smoothies, features witty and charming anecdotes on their packaging. It's a simple yet effective way to engage customers and make the brand more relatable. The stories go beyond the product, creating a memorable brand experience. What makes Innocent Drinks' approach unique is the authenticity of the stories. They align with the brand's values, creating an emotional resonance with consumers. It's a reminder that packaging isn't just about what's outside the box, but the narrative it weaves around the product. Packaging design also embraces cultural elements. Adapting to local aesthetics and traditions can make a product feel more familiar and appealing. Let's explore how brands incorporate cultural nuances into their packaging. Coca-Cola took personalization to a new level with its Share a Coke campaign. By printing popular names on their cans and bottles, Coca-Cola engaged customers personally. In countries like Australia, where people have nicknames, the brand even included terms of endearment like mate and dad, showcasing a keen understanding of local culture. Kit Kat, the iconic chocolate bar, takes a creative approach by introducing regional flavors worldwide. From matcha green tea in Japan to chai latte in the UK, these variations not only cater to local tastes, but also celebrate cultural diversity through packaging. In Japan, Kit Kat embraced the culture of gift-giving. The brand introduced unique flavors like green tea, wasabi, and sake, tying into Japanese preferences. Additionally, the name Kit Kat sounds like the Japanese phrase Kito Katsu, meaning "you will surely win," making it a popular good luck gift during exams. Kit Kat's strategy is a testament to the global appeal of customization. By acknowledging and embracing cultural differences, the brand creates a sense of inclusivity, turning a simple chocolate bar into a cultural experience. Lay's, the potato chip brand, tapped into cultural diversity by launching a Do Us a Flavor campaign globally. The campaign invited consumers to suggest new chip flavors inspired by local tastes. This approach resulted in unique flavors like chicken and waffles in the US, reflecting American comfort food, and numb and spicy hot pot in China, catering to local spice preferences. Dove's limited edition packaging in the UK challenged the traditional notions of beauty. The brand released bottles in various shapes and sizes, symbolizing the diversity of women's bodies. This cultural statement resonated strongly with consumers, promoting inclusivity and body positivity. Heineken, in its Mexican market, incorporated indigenous Huichol art into its beer labels. By collaborating with local artists, the brand celebrated Mexican culture and added a unique touch to its product. This showcased Heineken's appreciation for local artistry and created visually distinct and culturally resonant packaging. As we look ahead, what can we expect from the future of packaging design? Stay tuned as we discuss upcoming trends and innovations that will shape the visual landscape of products. And there you have it, the mesmerizing world of packaging design. From the psychology behind colors to the sustainable innovations shaping the industry, packaging is indeed an art form. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments your favorite packaging design. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the fascinating realms of design. Until next time, thanks for watching.